Viewers, that you can see a phone in my hand. This phone is Vivo V40 Lite. Now today I'll show you how to insert a SIM tray and set up a new SIM card in this phone. If you want to insert a SIM tray and set up a new SIM card in this phone, at first you need to a SIM ejector. And SIM ejector, you put this on your phone, and when put this SIM ejector on your phone, and your phone SIM tray is now open. And when open SIM tray, you need to a SIM card and you set up properly SIM card on your phone SIM tray. And if you want to use another SIM, you need to another SIM, and second time you set up a SIM card properly on this SIM tray. When properly SIM card set up on your phone, properly SIM tray, third time you just put this SIM card. Third time you just put this SIM tray on your phone. I put this SIM tray in my phone. When put this SIM tray in my phone, wait few seconds, my phone SIM card is ready to use and SIM card is properly working in this phone. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.